Hi everyone, I'm Ryan from Ningbo Weifeng Fastener Co. Today, I'd like to introduce a versatile and essential fastener, drywall screws. They are widely used in construction and renovation projects. Okay, let's talk about the types. There are two main categories: coarse-thread screws and fine-thread screws. Coarse-thread screws with their wide threads are ideal for attaching drywall to wood studs. They bite into the wood quickly and provide strong holding power. Fine-thread screws, on the other hand, have narrower threads, making them perfect for metal studs, as they prevent stripping and ensure tight fit. Some variants also come with corrosion-resistant coatings like zinc or phosphate for long-lasting performance in humid environments.